Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is daylight saving time debate in the US. Daylight saving time is being debated again with US President-elect Donald Trump advocating for its end. The practice affects nearly 400 million people across North America, including in the US, Canada and Cuba. Trump has criticized DST, calling it inconvenient and costly, and has suggested that the Republican Party will push for its elimination. Drishti IAS is elated to announce new offline batches for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains at its Noida center. The English medium batch starts from 9th of January, while the Hindi medium batch starts from 16th of January. For more information, call us at 87501-87501. What is daylight saving time? The idea of DST can be traced back to at least the late 19th century when New Zealand entomologist George Hudson proposed to conserve energy and extend summer daylight hours. During World War I, European countries adopted DST to conserve fuel and the US followed in 1918. Germany was the first country to adopt daylight saving time in 1916. The United States followed in 1918. The practice went through many variations before the United States standardized it in 1966 in a law called the Uniform Time Act, which allows states to opt out of it but not to stay on daylight saving time permanently. DST involves adjusting clocks forward in spring and back in autumn to make better use of daylight. In the US, DST begins on the second Sunday in March and ends on the first Sunday in November. In the UK and other European countries, DST begins on the last Sunday in March and ends on the last Sunday in October. Controversy around daylight saving time. Studies have found little evidence that DST results in significant energy savings. Research links DST to adverse health effects, including increased heart attacks, strokes, traffic accidents, and sleep deprivation. A 2023 poll showed that 62% of Americans want to end DST, with 50% preferring permanent daylight saving time. Hawaii and Arizona, with the exception of its Navajo Nation region, do not observe daylight saving time. The US territories of American Samoa, Guam, and Northern Mariana Islands, Puerto Rico, and US Virgin Islands also observe permanent standard time. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the primary purpose of daylight saving time? To reduce traffic accidents, to conserve energy and extend daylight hours, to boost economic activity, or to increase tourism? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.